They are everywhere, on your skin, in your gut, even in the air you breathe. Microbes, a vast and unseen world, are all around us. Too small to see with the naked eye, these bacteria, viruses and fungi outnumber all other life forms on Earth. They exist in every environment, from the depths of the ocean to the highest mountains. Though often overlooked, microbes play a critical role in shaping our planet and our lives.
For much of human history, we were unaware of their existence. It wasn't until the invention of the microscope that we could finally peer into this hidden realm. What scientists discovered was astonishing. Trillions of microbes inhabit our bodies, forming a complex ecosystem known as the microbiome. These microscopic communities influence our health, our immune system, and even our mood. Beyond our bodies, microbes are the driving force of many ecological processes. They break down organic matter, cycle nutrients, and even influence the climate. From the nitrogen cycle that fertilizes our crops to the decomposition that recycles waste, microbes are essential for life as we know it.
Understanding these unseen heroes and villains is crucial for appreciating the delicate balance of our world. Let's start with the gut, a bustling metropolis of microbes. Here, trillions of bacteria diligently work to keep us healthy. They help break down food, synthesize vitamins, and train our immune system. This community of helpful bacteria is our gut microbiome, a vital part of our overall well-being.
Imagine a microscopic assembly line. As food arrives in the gut, different types of bacteria get to work. Some break down complex carbohydrates into simpler sugars, providing us with energy. Others ferment fiber, producing short-chain fatty acids that nourish our gut lining and reduce inflammation. This intricate process is a testament to the power of these tiny helpers. But their role goes beyond digestion. Our gut microbiome interacts with our immune system, teaching it to distinguish friend from foe. This training is crucial for developing a robust immune response and preventing autoimmune diseases. The more diverse our gut microbiome, the stronger our defenses against pathogens.
Step outside the human body and you'll find bacteria hard at work cleaning up our environment. These microscopic heroes possess an amazing ability to break down pollutants and toxins, a process known as bioremediation. From oil spills to industrial waste, bacteria are nature's cleanup crew.
Consider an oil spill, a devastating event that pollutes marine ecosystems. Certain types of bacteria have a natural appetite for hydrocarbons, the main component of oil. They break down these harmful substances into less toxic compounds, mitigating the environmental damage. Scientists are now harnessing this power, using bioremediation techniques to clean up oil spills and contaminated soil. But their environmental benefits don't stop there. Bacteria play a crucial role in wastewater treatment plants, breaking down organic matter and removing harmful pathogens from our water supply. They are also vital for composting, decomposing organic waste and transforming it into nutrient-rich fertilizer. In these ways, bacteria are essential for a healthy and sustainable environment.
Section 4. The tiny enemy within. Viruses and disease. While bacteria are often cast in a positive light, viruses have a more sinister reputation. These microscopic entities are masters of disguise, infiltrating our cells and hijacking their machinery to replicate.
Viral infections can range from the common cold to deadly pandemics, highlighting their potential for both nuisance and devastation. Unlike bacteria, viruses cannot survive or reproduce on their own. They need a host cell to do their bidding.
Once inside a cell, they release their genetic material, taking over the cell's functions and forcing it to produce more viruses. This process can damage or destroy cells, leading to the symptoms of disease.
The COVID-19 pandemic, caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus, is a stark reminder of the devastating impact of viral outbreaks. The virus, which likely originated in bats, jumped to humans, spreading rapidly across the globe and causing widespread illness, death, and economic disruption.
This event underscores the importance of understanding viruses and developing strategies to prevent and control future pandemics.
Section 5. A world shaped by microbes. From the air we breathe to the soil beneath our feet, microbes are everywhere, shaping our world in countless ways. They are the unseen engineers of our planet, driving essential ecological processes and influencing the delicate balance of life.
Their impact is profound, extending far beyond what we can see with the naked eye. Think of the nitrogen cycle, a fundamental process that converts atmospheric nitrogen into a usable form for plants. Bacteria play a crucial role in this cycle, fixing nitrogen from the air and making it available for plant growth. Without these microscopic nitrogen fixers, plant life as we know it would not exist.
Or consider the role of microbes in climate change. As temperatures rise and permafrost thaws, microbes decompose organic matter, releasing methane and carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. These greenhouse gases contribute to global warming, further accelerating climate change.
Understanding the complex interplay between microbes and climate is crucial for predicting and mitigating the effects of this global challenge. Section 6. A balanced perspective, respecting the microbial world. The world of microbes is one of incredible diversity and complexity. While some microbes are beneficial, others can be harmful, highlighting the dual nature of these microscopic entities. It's important to remember that microbes are neither inherently good nor bad. They are simply trying to survive and thrive just like any other life form. Rather than viewing microbes solely through a lens of fear or disgust, we should strive for a more balanced perspective. Appreciating their essential roles in our health, our environment, and our planet is crucial for fostering a healthy respect for these unseen partners in life. By understanding their secrets, we can unlock new solutions to global challenges, from disease prevention to environmental remediation. The next time you take a breath, touch a surface, or simply exist in the world, remember the trillions of microbes that surround you. They are an integral part of our planet's story, and their unseen lives are inextricably linked to our own. By learning to coexist with these microscopic neighbors, we can create a healthier and more sustainable future for all.
Subscribe for more.